Welcome back to Moto Market Explorer. Here are 15 classic motorcycles currently for sale across the United States, each with its own history, condition, and character. Number 1. 1984 Harley-Davidson Sportster, $2,500, Allentown, Pennsylvania. This 1984 Harley-Davidson Sportster represents a clean and increasingly hard-to-find example from the Ironhead era. Finished in a distinctive purple color, the bike remains largely unmodified, which is a major plus for collectors and enthusiasts who value originality. The seller notes low mileage and includes all original paperwork, helping document its history and ownership. Mechanically, this Sportster has received several important updates, including new tires, a new battery, a new chain, a refreshed ignition coil, and a Super B carburetor that has been cleaned and properly tuned. All electrical components are reported to function correctly. With a clean title in the seller's name and the bike running and riding as it should, this Sportster offers classic Harley character at a very approachable price point. Number 2. 1980 Yamaha XS850 Cafe Racer, $2,750, Chambersburg, Pennsylvania. This 1980 Yamaha XS850 has been transformed into a cafe racer through extensive mechanical and cosmetic work. Powered by Yamaha's unique triple-cylinder engine, the bike delivers smooth torque and a distinctive exhaust note that sets it apart from more common twins or fours. According to the seller, the bike runs great and starts reliably, even in very cold conditions. The build includes brand new Mikuni triple carburetors, a completely redone wiring system that has been neatly tucked away, new lighting front and rear, brand new tires, updated handlebars, and a modified rear frame with a cafe-style seat hoop. Spare parts, including the original carburetors, are included. Whether ridden as is or refined further, this XS850 is both functional and visually striking. Number 3. 1976 BMW R90/6, $4,500, Mount Pleasant, South Carolina. This 1976 BMW R90/6 is an honest and well-used example of BMW's legendary air-cooled touring motorcycles. Finished in factory burgundy and showing just over 84,000 miles, it reflects the long-distance durability these bikes are known for. The R90/6 was the final evolution of BMW's 6 Series and remains highly respected for balance and comfort. The engine is described as dry, with no major oil leaks, and the exhaust pipes are reported to be in excellent condition. Included Denfeld hard luggage adds practicality for touring or commuting. While the clock is non-functional and the rear shocks are nearing the end of their service life, this BMW remains a strong rider with transparent needs and solid mechanical fundamentals. Number 4. 1976 Triumph Bonneville 750 T140, $5,200, Baltimore, Maryland. This 1976 Triumph Bonneville T140 showcases classic British twin design in a largely original and well-preserved package. With under 15,000 miles, the bike benefits from recent reliability upgrades, including new Amal Premier carburetors and a Boyer electronic ignition system, both of which are popular improvements among Triumph owners. The bike runs and rides well and retains very good original chrome, which adds to its authenticity and visual appeal. A clean title further supports its value. For riders seeking a traditional Triumph riding experience without excessive modification, this Bonneville offers a strong balance between originality, usability, and classic styling. Number 5. 1980 Honda CB750C, $2,000, Hilliards, Pennsylvania. This 1980 Honda CB750C combines proven Honda engineering with cruiser-oriented styling from the early 1980s. Powered by the legendary inline-4 engine, the bike delivers smooth and predictable performance. With just under 20,000 miles, it has relatively modest use for its age. The seller notes that it runs and rides, though it performs best with the choke on, suggesting that some carburetor tuning may be beneficial. With a title in hand and an affordable asking price, this CB750C is well suited for continued riding, light mechanical sorting, or gradual cosmetic improvement. It remains a dependable entry into classic Japanese motorcycles. Number 6. 1978 Kawasaki KZ650B, $1,000, Newark, Ohio. This 1978 Kawasaki KZ650B offers excellent value for riders seeking a usable vintage motorcycle. Finished in blue and showing just over 17,000 miles, it starts easily, runs strong, and has been ridden regularly rather than sitting idle. The bike comes with a clean title, adding peace of mind for buyers. The carburetors have been properly jetted and a steering damper has been added to improve stability at speed. While the turn signals are currently not functioning and the speedometer cable needs replacement, these are relatively minor issues. Overall, this KZ650B represents a solid mechanical platform at a very competitive price. Number 7. 1971 BSA Custom Bobber, $2,800, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. This 1971 BSA has been reworked into a custom bobber with flat-track influences, blending vintage British engineering with stripped-down aesthetics. The bike runs, shifts, and stops properly, making it more than just a display piece. Straight pipes give it a bold, classic sound that suits its minimalist style. A new battery has been installed, and the bike has been gone through by a shop to ensure basic reliability. While customized, it still leaves room for personalization, making it appealing to riders who enjoy hands-on ownership. This BSA is a character-filled classic that stands apart from stock restorations. Number 8. 1982 Kawasaki KZ1100, $1,400, Glastonbury, Connecticut. This 1982 Kawasaki KZ1100 is equipped as a vintage sport touring motorcycle featuring a Vetter fairing and hard saddlebags. With 45,000 miles, it reflects regular use but is reported to run and ride very well. New tires have recently been installed, improving safety and ride quality. The seller notes that the bike could use some cosmetic attention but is mechanically ready to go. Due to storage limitations, it's priced aggressively and available quickly. For riders seeking comfort, wind protection, and classic Kawasaki power, this KZ1100 offers strong touring potential. Number 9. 1966 Ducati Monza 160, $1,800, Bethlehem, Pennsylvania. This 1966 Ducati Monza is a genuine vintage Italian motorcycle offered as a project. While it is currently non-running, the bike rolls and steers and retains its original Monza frame and classic 1960s styling. Honest patina gives it authentic character rather than a neglected appearance. An aftermarket Life-An engine has been installed by a previous owner, and the original Ducati engine is also included, offering multiple build paths. Whether restored, customized into a cafe racer, or built as a resto mod, this Monza provides a solid foundation for enthusiasts who enjoy long-term vintage projects. Number 10. 1981 Suzuki GS850G, $1,500, Lafayette, Colorado. This 1981 Suzuki GS850G is a well-regarded shaft-drive classic known for reliability and smooth operation. With just under 20,000 miles and a clean title, it has had only 2 owners and remains largely original. The bike starts easily, runs smoothly, and rides as intended. Included original manuals, service books, and promotional materials add collectible value. While it shows normal cosmetic wear consistent with age, it requires no immediate mechanical work. This GS850G is a practical vintage motorcycle that can be enjoyed immediately without major investment. Number 11. 1976 Moto Guzzi 850, $2,200, Provo, Utah. This 1976 Moto Guzzi 850 is an Italian project bike with meaningful progress already completed. The bike has received new tires, fresh paint, powder-coated components, and partial electrical sorting. These updates provide a strong starting point for completing the restoration. Currently non-running, it will require further mechanical work to return to the road. Extra parts and a title are included, and trailer pickup is required. For enthusiasts drawn to Moto Guzzi's longitudinal V-twin layout and unique character, this project offers strong visual and mechanical potential. Number 12. 1962 Norton Atlas, $2,000, Boulder, Colorado. This 1962 Norton Atlas project features the desirable slimline featherbed frame, widely praised for its handling characteristics. The engine turns freely with compression and shifts through all gears, indicating a solid mechanical core. A Lucas Red Label competition magneto is included, along with the carburetor. With a title in hand, this Norton is well suited for a cafe racer build or a period-correct restoration. Its classic British design and respected chassis make it a popular choice among vintage enthusiasts seeking an engaging project. Number 13. 1978 Honda CB750F Supersport, $1,500, Albuquerque, New Mexico. This 1978 Honda CB750F Supersport is a nearly completed project with extensive recent work already done. Less than 100 miles have been put on new tires, chain, pod filters, exhaust system, brake components, cables, and ignition parts. The brakes have been fully rebuilt and valve adjustments have been completed. The remaining needs include a replacement fuel tank, a battery, and a carburetor rebuild, with a rebuild kit included. Once finished, this CB750F has the potential to be a sharp, strong-running classic sport motorcycle. Number 14, 1978 Triumph 750, $4,000, Loveland, Colorado. This 1978 Triumph 750 is a clean and straightforward British twin offered as a ready-to-ride motorcycle. With 19,000 miles and a Colorado title, it runs and rides nicely without major known issues. The bike presents as a rider-focused example rather than a full restoration. Priced firmly with no trades considered, it's aimed at buyers who want a classic Triumph experience without project-level commitment. Simple, honest, and usable, this Triumph fits well into regular weekend riding. Number 15, 1981 Kawasaki CSR KZ650, $900, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. This 1981 Kawasaki CSR KZ650 is an affordable project motorcycle suited for experienced builders. The bike will run with a charged battery, but likely needs a new battery or stator, and it does not have a title. Condition is fair, reflecting its project status. Best used as a custom build, parts donor, or track-focused project, this KZ650 offers a low-cost entry into classic Kawasaki ownership. For hands-on enthusiasts, it provides a usable base with minimal upfront investment. That's today's lineup on Moto Market Explorer. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next classic motorcycle listing.